Tonight, we're gonna make some soil blocks. We're gonna upplant. Just depends upon how much work I can get done in a couple hours. So, let's do it. Stuff. You want to be able to squeeze some of the water out. Ideally, you would do this a few hours before you started. And it's get it nice and saturated. Okay. Also, you don't want to add too much water. Alright, I got my hydrated soil. I've got a clean 10 by 20 tray. No holes in it right now. I've got my soil block Mini 4 with the cube inserts so that when we make the soil blocks, the small Micro 20 cubes will go in the Mini 4s. So I'm going to make a couple of these. I highly suspect that this bowl is not going to work well for me. I want like a big tub, square tub. I don't have one, so we're doing this. Okay, I do think I added too much water to mine, and ideally I would wait a few more hours. But I just want to demonstrate using the actual soil block maker. So, got my soil packed in here, and I'm gonna push down. And what I like to do is come up with the handle, do it again, and there we go. Not bad. The soil is really warm, so. And then I'm gonna take this cabbage. It's gonna go right in this cube, like so. And then repeat ad nauseum. Okay, I got some chocolate habaneros potted up. Yeah, and what I did not anticipate is the mayhem I left behind in this little container. It was so nice and orderly before I started getting into it. The germination rate with these soil blocks has been so good. It's almost 100%. I think it was 100% with these chocolate habaneros. Let's make some minis. So same deal. This is a 5 by 4. I'm going to use the leftover soil here. Usually I use starting mix, but I've already got this made up, so may as well put that in there. Kind of get the excess off. So like right now I could use more, especially that one in the middle. That'll be a small block. Don't have the best technique yet. Alright. Come up with the handle, push back in, lift out. And if you did it well, then you won't have any grab on and come out when you lift up. I'll still take a dibber and press in a little bit more on these holes. I don't think the impressions are all that good. But yeah, that's how you make them 20s. So that is my crash course on making soil blocks. I plan on making a lot more gardening videos this year, so please hit that like and subscribe button, and see you next time.